Hello, and welcome to the ProQuest Statistical Insight Training Series. In this session, you'll learn about performing an advanced search using statistical insight. To select the advanced search function, click on the radio button at the top middle portion of the screen. The advanced search will allow you to apply Boolean operators. We'll go through the choices you now have in the drop-down menu. The first choice is All Fields Except Full Text, which searches all fields except PDFs. You can also select All Fields Including Full Text, which searches all fields including tables and PDFs. Let's try an example using All Fields Including Full Text. Select All Fields Including Full Text from the drop-down menu. Enter bicycle in the first search field and commuting in the second search field. Click on Go and your search returns many results for bicycle commuting. Let's look at the results. Reasons why bicycling and walking are and are not being used more extensively as travel modes. You can see that the search terms bicycling and commuting appear highlighted. Click on the abstract. Since bicycle and commuting are highlighted, the program will look for variations of words of the search. Now, we'll close that up and move back to the top and explore the option to select document title. When you use document title, the term must appear in the title of the document, so this is a very specific search and limits the research results accordingly. You also have the option to search by table title and tables only. Let's try a title search. From the drop-down menu, choose Table Title, enter Organic Farming in the search field, and click on the Go button. As you can see, the results have the abstract and PDF icons. But now you also have a tables icon because you searched table title. Click on that icon and it will open up the information on the tables included in this document. You can open them up in Excel or as a GIF file. If we click on the GIF file, it will bring up the chart that came back with your search result. You could have also used the search Organic Farm, and it would bring back the same results because, again, it is going to bring back farming and farms. So those searches will be available to you as well. You have another option in the drop-down menu called Source Publisher. When you select that option, the program will search for that specific source or publisher included in the information of the search results. In the index information, use Source Publisher, and as you can see, it will now give you a list button. Click on it, and you can see how the sources and publishers are broken down. ProQuest breaks it down by association, business organization, commercial publisher, and so on. Click on Associations. Select the American Bankers Association and add it to your search for source and publisher. Add to that a search term of consumer credit. Now select all fields except full text and click Go. You'll get more than 30 results back. You can see that the source here has been highlighted, and these results are all from the American Bankers Association. If you know the document number, you also have the option to click on document number and search that way. You can also use subject and index terms. For this example, we'll delete consumer credit to clear out this field. Now, when you have this selected for subject and index terms, you can click on List, which will bring up the options for the subject and index terms. You'll notice that vacant property is the main subject index term. You could use these other broad terms, but for this example, we'll get specific and use vacant and abandoned property. Click on that term, which will put it into your search as a subject and index term. We'll add a source and publisher. Click on List, and that will bring you back to those associations. Choose Federal Agencies. The federal agency that you're going to select is All Federal Agencies, which will limit your search to results that will have vacant property in your subject and index terms, and then information published by all federal agencies. Click the Go button to run that search, and it brings up more than 250 results that match the criteria for your search. To view the most recent results, change the sort by to date published, and you will see the first result is from 2010. You can still move over to the left-hand column and limit this information even more by using the facets. For example, if you want to have results for vacant and abandoned properties published by all federal agencies, but only want to look at full text results, you can click on Full Text PDF and see in the left-hand column that the filter has been applied. And now all of your results have the PDF icon available. Some of the results still have tables, so you can click on Tables to further limit your results to those that only have PDF and tables icons available. Keep in mind that when you move to the advanced search, it is not only applying the Boolean operators of, and, or, not, and within, but you can also use this drop-down menu to make the search even more specific. That concludes this session on Statistical Insight. To learn more about how you can significantly optimize your search capabilities with the incredible range and power of ProQuest, please consult the other videos in this training series.